Hi, my name is Randy Bolsums. I'm with Quicklime USA. Thank you for stopping by the booth today. This is our anchor. It's the Ultra Anchor. We hand make these out of 316L stainless steel. The shank is hollow. The base is filled with lead. That puts the center of gravity right in between my fingers on this anchor. When you submerge this anchor, the buoyancy in the shank shifts the center of gravity right to the tip of the anchor. What that means is you now have the quickest setting, highest holding power anchor available today. It will set within its own length in any soil condition. If you can poke a hole in it, our anchor will set in it, developing high holding power immediately. Minimum impact on the seafloor to not cause environmental damage. This is our smallest anchor. This is 18 pounds, suitable for a 25, 26-foot boat. Again, the base is filled with lead and the shank is hollow. As you can see, when the anchor hits the seafloor, the head hits first and the weight is transferred to the tip of the anchor, ready to penetrate. If you do manage to flip it over, the anchor's at-rest position is already penetrating the seafloor. Thank you for coming by. My name's Randy Bolsums, Quicklime USA. Visit us at quicklime.us. Thank you.